Barbara, what's going on with your shoulders?
I'm experiencing pain in the front, mostly when I sleep.
Okay.
Then I have pain to the point where it keeps me awake at night.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency.
At night when it wakes me up and keeps me awake, it's probably about a 7.
Every night?
Yes.
7 out of 10?
Yes.
Okay, what else is difficult for you to do and cause pain? Reaching, lifting?
My range of motion is good, but my strength is depleted. People lifting boxes, moving things from left to right or up and down.
So moving things, lifting and stuff, you feel...
Some difficulty due to lack of strength.
Okay, how long has this been going on?
This has been quite a while, probably...
3 to 5 years.
I believe the cause of the injury or condition is based on the fact that I've worked for 17 years on an ambulance. I've been lifting the wheels
Doing a lot of
gurney.
lifting.
So it's repetitive motion.
Repetitive strain injury.
Yes.
And you feel it like
Both sides.
equally bad?
My left is worse than my right.
Can we do something to aggravate your symptoms? Use that before and after treatment as a measurement. Okay, let's aggravate your symptoms now.
What would aggravate them?
Yeah, make it worse.
Having me lift something heavy.
Let's get here 5 or 10 pounds. It's in the bottom.
Right.
Have you had any treatment for that before?
No, I have not. Over-the-counter pain.
It's temporary
Pain
pain relief.
relievers,
Yep.
right.
Okay, so let's lift that and tell me how much pain. How much pain with that? You're moving slowly.
Definitely the left. This pain is at least a 6.
At least a 6.
Definitely the left is worse than the right.
Okay,
The
so-
right would be about a 4.
Okay, let's put it down. Okay, where did you feel exactly?
I feel it right about here, the front.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll have you take over. How much in there?
I would say this is a 6 to 7 and this would probably be a 4 to a 5.
Okay, let's scoot forward. Make sure around the it's not aggravating your symptoms. Is it localized in the front? You
It's
feel like
less
a
in the
line
front.
or a circle?
It's like a line, vertically.
Okay, let's start from here
Yes.
and going where?
It starts here and
You feel it in
The
the joint
armpit.
or outside?
in the joint.
You feel it in the joint. Okay, let me know if that's painful, okay?
Okay.
You feel that band? Okay.
It does not hurt though. That hurt right there.
Sorry. Let me know if that's painful.
Okay.
Okay. How does it feel now? Can you
Better.
stand first?
Yes.
I'm gonna work inside. Is that okay?
Yes. Of course. That's
Sorry,
okay.
sorry. And you had any neck issue?
You have worked on my neck and have diagnosed me that I have quite a bit of scar tissue built up in my neck. Constantly at night, when I move my head, I can hear.
It's not.
That's fine.
It's in the same area.
Isn't that called the AC joint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that painful?
No.
Okay.
No. Just relax. Okay. Yeah, that feels good. You feel that in my biceps, right?
The line you're talking
Yeah,
about.
yes.
Yeah, I feel it. How does it feel now?
That feels better.
Yeah.
A lot better.
I don't feel much, so I'm just gonna see if you have enough.
It's definitely along the front where you are.
That's painful. Good thing is very intuitive to your body, so I can tell. How's that?
Better.
Okay. It's lying here too?
Yes, right where that seat, the seat right, yep. Can you feel that right? And
It's a shorter line.
the left one seems to radiate further.
So most of the problem with lifting heavy stuff. Okay. That painful?
No?
How's that?
And I think also because when we're transferring patients from bed to gurney, it's all the upper arm and
Good body
Yes,
mechanics?
very good body mechanics. I always try and I get higher than the gurney.
Okay. And make sure your center of gravity as close as possible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure your center of gravity. Try push-pull better than lifting.
Yeah, that's why we always use draw sheets.
Yeah. You'll do that this weekend.
This weekend, I'm going to be trained in dispatch. I'm excited about learning that side of the business. They said I would be a natural because I understand the
Yeah,
field
I
of getting from point A to point B, whereas a lot of dispatchers have not been in the field at all. They're foreign to it.
Yeah.
They're like out of water. And then that's when you run into issues. There's little tender right there. You run into issues with the EMTs out in the field getting frustrated with the dispatchers.
Not getting that.
They have unrealistic expectations as far as transport times, and
No control.
we don't control the traffic.
You don't control the traffic, and if you have like case that's
A lot of when you go into a hospital, you're told, oh, you need to wait until we have a bed for you, and it's going to be an hour and a half. That's completely out of our control. So we have to.
lift your arms up and tell me how this feels. Can you tell the difference?
Much different on this movement here. There's no resistance because it was almost as if they were catching.
You don't feel the catching?
No, I don't feel that.
So let's try it with the weight. Where did we put the
Let
weight?
me put the weights.
Let's try it. This is a 5 pound.
We're using forks.
Yeah, same purple. Match your pose.
Much easier.
How's that?
Better.
Any pain, discomfort? Your muscle tweak.
Yeah, 100% difference. Very happy with that.
What do you think about the treatment? Yeah.
Instant gratification. That's great.
Yeah, it worked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.